Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to host your website with InfinityFree. So all you have to do here is go to any website, open your browser and go to InfinityFree. You can click sign up now. So it's 100 free, so no need for credit card or no need to add here credit card or any card for information. So you just have to simply create an account. Once you have created an account, then you should see here create your account. So basically what you're going to do is tap on create an account right here. Infinity will ask you to enter your email address, create a strong password, confirm your email so you can check your inbox for verification link, and log into your Infinity Free client area. So tap on the create icon, and then you will see here any plan. So you just have to go on with the free version. If you want to unlock and use the feature, you need to upgrade your plan. So basically here you can choose one of the two options, free domain or use your own domain. So you can add here whatever domain name as long as this one is for free. So Infinity Free will tell you if this one is not available or if someone uses this domain already. So all you have to do is to add it right here, enter some information. Basically, you need to wait for 5 to 30 minutes for DNS to update. Once you're done, then you can have your access to your control panel. So basically, once you have added here your domain, which is for free and available, then you can save this one. So after that, once you have your access to your control panel, then you can upload your website files. So you can go to cPanel. You can use the online file manager, or B, upload via FTP. And then basically that's it. So that is how to host your website with InfinityFree. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.